Hello. Today tips help you to get a PMI personal meeting ID like a pro. You will get 777-888-2024 like mine, or you have 246 like here 8. Okay, so everything you can do, you open your Zoom and click on new meeting with the arrow here, and um, your PMI and PMI setting, and here everything you do to find a PMI from your mind. For example, if I have 778882468, you cannot get it anymore because I do it before. So if I return my PMI 2024, and you can get 778882468. So another, you can do some um, tip like a pro here. Okay, you can do it like uh, you scroll down and advance here. You can turn on AI convenient is okay, but I don't want advanced option. You can allow participant to join anytime or mute participant upon join. I always click on to this and request permission to unmute participant. So even they do not unmute themselves, but you can unmute them when they join your room. Okay, that is for today's video.